Hello kids, today we will draw a cute bear milkshake. So let's start. First draw a horizontal line, like this. Now draw another line, just its parallel. Good job, now connect the ends with curved line. Look how great it's looking. Now draw a line in an angle. Now draw another line on other side also. Now make the end curvy and connect it, like this. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw a line inside it, and just its parallel. Make the curve, and it's done. Look how good it's looking. We draw the cup. Now draw some circles inside it. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw more circles just its side. Look how great it's looking. We make the bubbles. Now draw the cup upper part. Draw a big curve and leave a small gap. Good job. Now draw the pipe. Draw a line, then draw another line, just its parallel. Now draw the curved line and connect it. Well done, we complete the pipe. Well done, now draw the barrier. Draw a half circle, like this. Now draw a small half circle inside it. It's looking very great, now draw the other ear, just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. Good job, look how cute it's looking. Now draw the bear face. First draw the eye. Draw a circle, then fill the color. Well done, now draw the other eye, do the same thing, and it's done. Draw a circle, then fill the color. Now draw the bear nose. Draw a curvy triangle, like this. Now fill the color. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use brown color and color the cup border. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, now use sky blue color and color the cup side. Color slowly and color only the side. Now use cream color or light brown color. Color inside the cup. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Make sure not to color the bubble. Color outside the circle, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Good job. Now use red color and color the bubbles. Color the circles very carefully. Now color the last bubble, and it's done. Well done. Now use light brown color and color the cup. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now just color left and right, and it's done. Make sure not to color the eye and mouth. Color the left part, then color the right side also. Well done. Now color the bare ear. Color the right ear. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color the outside only, like this. Good job. Now use pink color and color the ear. Color the inside, like this. It's looking very beautiful. Now again use sky blue color and color the straw. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing more shiny. Now draw a line on cup side, like this. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw a small curve inside the bubble. Draw a line on the red part only. Look, we complete all the bubbles. Draw a curved line on bare side. Also draw a line, like this. First draw a small circle on eye, like this. Don't forget to draw a line on nose, and it's done. Look how beautiful and delicious it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.